Hello everyone. Today's video introduces a tool I developed to automatically locate client controls. Let me first introduce why I developed this tool. I often need to write code to manipulate client automation. If I want to manipulate the client, I will write code in Python. I often use libraries such as PyWinAuto or UiAutoMation to perform client automation. I will find that, first of all, if I want to operate the client, I must first know the specific control information of the object being operated. The common method is to print the control information and then execute the code. I think this method is more troublesome. And when there is an element on the client, its structure will change accordingly, so I have to reprint it to get the latest control information, which will greatly affect my efficiency. So for the pain point of low efficiency, I personally developed a tool called soti, which can quickly help us locate the elements of the client and get the control information. I will now demonstrate how to use the software. I will now locate the File button of this notepad. I click the Tools Selection button and then press the Control key to capture the element. The tree diagram will also display the element we just selected. On the right is its control information. We can first check the red outline to make the display clearer. Now I will demonstrate how it can help us locate quickly, and then we execute the code. First, I wrote an example here. We just got the control information of this file. I clicked on the PyWinAuto table, successfully copied the control information, and pasted the information into the code and added the method. Click Execute, and the program can automatically click to it. It's very simple. If you have located the program control before, the tool also provides the program path information. You can copy and paste it into the code line and use it directly. The tool also provides a positioning method based on UiAutoMation. In the case of UiAutoMation, we first need to obtain its top-level window, copy the window information first, paste it into the code, which is very simple, then set the active window, and finally we try to click the File button, copy the information, paste it, add the click method, and click Run. Very beautiful. The tool supports searching for elements. Click on the search bar and you will easily find what you want. I want to find a line element here. The tool will perform a fuzzy search. The current version is 2.9. I will continue to update the program and update its progress on YouTube. Welcome to subscribe to my channel.